Let's get some code from ChatGPT, specifically the testimonials on our platform. Well, it cannot scrape those, but it can give us Python code to do it for us, or to have me do it. So let's get a script here that uses request in BeautifulSoup to get those testimonials. And get a whole script there. I installed the dependencies already. So let's try it. And it hints here at that I need to update the CSS class. So let's look for that in the page source. And the testimonials all have a testimonial card class. So I paste that in, run the script, and boom, 83 testimonials. And nicely output it to the console. And we can match that with the counting D class, and that's exactly 83.